vlog and I am at my hostel wala gym. Today is my first day actually working out. So yeah, I'll take you guys through my day and I hope you like it. For 30 minutes and we have burned 112 calories, which I'm really proud of because today is my first day. And anyways, hi, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm Sheetu, currently studying psychology honors in Delhi University, and thank you for stopping by and I hope you enjoy the vlog. Now let us talk about our today's day. So today I basically have six lectures, 2 for one subject and 4 for the rest of them, and my first lecture starts at 11, so we have a lot of time today. So I thought of filming it and showing you guys around how my new life in hostel looks like. So yeah, I hope you enjoy it and kindly ignore the background noise क्योंकि बाहर रोड है, vehicles जा रहे हैं, cannot do anything in that. Thank you.
I think you're the one, 'cause I'm so hypnotized, yeah. You're here in the morning, but it's all in my head. I don't want this to end. I won't let this be over.
गाइस पता है ये मैं अपने ब्लॉग में डाल दूँ, आपका सारा स्टिंग ऑपरेशन हो जाएगा अभी इस पे।
कर दो भाई, ट्रेजरर की कोई इज्जत नहीं होती भाई। ये इसको डाल दो, तुम देख लो।
नहीं हाँ, बट वॉइस तो जाएगी ना।
Summer at a Red Rock show. She was barefoot dancing in the 15th row. Rose-colored sunglasses, sundress with some magic in her hands in the air. Just watching her sway. Feelings I hell of a day. She's out there now, can't tie her down. Can't count what I'd give to be with her. She'll pass through town, come back around, rolling in and out like the.
So hi, this is the present Sheetu and as I was editing the video I've just realized कि मैंने एक तो लास्ट वीडियो में ये नहीं बताया था that I shifted to hostel. All of my friends were texting ये तो बताया नहीं आपने, ये तो बताया नहीं आपने आप हॉस्टल क्यों जा रहे हो. सो आई टेल यू वाई आई शिफ्टेड टू हॉस्टल अभी इस वीडियो में. एंड ऑल्सो आई टेल कि वो एंड में क्या हुआ था. वो एकदम से सब सही चल रहा था. आई वेंट टू हॉस्टल एंड देन एकदम से दिस ब्रोकन वॉल. सो आई एम गोइंग टू टेल यू द बोथ ऑफ द थिंग्स. आई एम गोइंग टू एक्चुअली एक्सप्लेन यू बोथ ऑफ द थिंग्स कि क्या हुआ था. सबसे पहले लेट मी अरेंज माई कैमरा, सेट माई कैमरा, नॉट अरेंज, सॉरी. So I'll tell you क्या हुआ था. As I came back from college, I opened the door of my room and I saw this huge wall of my room is broken. So there is some sort of construction work going on in hostel and we knew about it, but we didn't knew कि ऐसे हमारे room में भी होने वाला है. So we came up to this huge mess in our room. There were dusts and rocks and stones all over my room, in my bed, on my bed. This huge pieces of the broken wall, cemented wall on my bed. It was so dirty, so dirty. इतनी dust हो रही थी. And trust me when I say this, मैंने एक दिन पहले ही इतनी deep cleaning की थी अपने room की. I've dusted all of my tables, my bed, changed my bed sheet. It took me 2 hours to completely clean the whole room. And it was so bad. और इतनी dust थी and I have sinus. Because of that, I was even not well from past 3 days. अभी भी मेरी आवाज़ में पता चल रहा है. So just a day before that, I completely cleaned my room and I came to this mess. And the second part was कि even if I cleaned it that day, अगले दिन फिर काम होना था. So there was no point. I'll clean अब शाम को, फिर सुबह वो फिर करेंगे, मैं फिर अगले दिन शाम को करूँ, वो फिर there was no point उसको साफ़ करने का. But I can also not live in such a mess because इतनी ज़्यादा dust उस वक्त थी रूम में. So I decided to go home because हमारे it was I think on ट्यूसडे एंड वेडनेसडे को मुझे कॉलेज जाना था तो मैं घर से कॉलेज चली गई थी. एंड देन ऑन थर्सडे इट वॉज इलेक्शन, इट वॉज अ हॉलीडे. फ्राइडे को भी छुट्टी थी, सैटरडे संडे छुट्टी होती है, तो 4 दिन की छुट्टी ही थी. सो आई थॉट कि इट्स अ वाइज एंड गुड डिसीजन टू गो होम. इसलिए मैं बहुत अब्रप्टली, नॉट अब्रप्टली बट हाँ, सडनली आई जस्ट कॉल माई डैड की ऐसे अगेन. ही सेड you just pack your bags and you come home. I was like, okay, let's just go home. My roommate also, she also went home. So we both decided कि let's just go home. Now second part, why I shifted to hostel. So the reason why I have shifted to hostel in second year of my college was the traveling distance or the time. So minimum to minimum, it took me like 5 hours minimum. This is I'm talking about minimum 5 hours to travel from घर से और college. Like जाते वक्त it's 2.5, आते वक्त it's 2.5, and that is minimum when everything is on time और सब कुछ अच्छे से हो जाए तो. And it was consuming a lot of my time, like बहुत ज़्यादा time, because 5 घंटे, that is what I'm saying again, minimum. And giving my 5 hours to traveling, I cannot afford to give 5 hours in just traveling. And it's not even just traveling, because if you've traveled 5 hours of your day, you know, in public transport, you're already very tired. You do not have any energy when you came back home to do the work. पढ़ाई भी करनी है, बाकी सब था. So I talked to my parents because earlier I thought कि मैं manage कर लूँगी, but मुझसे manage नहीं हो रहा था. So I talked to my papa and I was like कि दूसरे second year में तो मुझे hostel लेना होगा. So basically the main reason for me to take hostel in second year was the traveling distance or the duration. So बहुत ज़्यादा टाइम लग रहा था. To save that, I just shifted to hostel. And with that, I think that's it for this video. I hope you like it and thank you so much for watching till here. If you have any suggestions or anything to say, just feel free to just comment it down. And if you haven't checked out my Instagram, make sure you do that, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.